We can use the setitem operation to update a list element. For example, consider this program. In line 1, Python assigns the list 246 to the variable numbers. In line 2, Python stores 9 at index 1 of the numbers list. Let's more closely examine the setitem operation. At time 7, the variables map contains one entry numbers with the value Python reference 0, and the object store contains one element, which is the list 246. Python first converts the statement numbers 1 equals 9 to the setitem function call as follows. The expression to the left of the square brackets, which is numbers, becomes the first call argument, and the expression inside the brackets, or 1, becomes the second argument. Finally, the expression to the right of the equal sign, 9, becomes the third argument. Python then evaluates the function call setitem numbers19. At time 8, Python pushes the setitem function call to the expression stack. As usual, Python first evaluates function call arguments. Numbers is Python reference 0. Setitem is a built-in function, so LWPython executes it in one step instead of jumping to a function. The top element of the value stack is 9, 1, and Python reference 0. The third element, which is Python reference 0, is the location of the list. LWPython retrieves the element at index 0 of the object store. The element is the list 246. The second element, which is 1, is the index that will be updated, and the first element, 9, is the new value. Thus, LWPython updates index 1 of the list to 9. Notice that the value stack contains none. Since the objective of the setitem operation is to update the list in the object store, the function output is not important. Here are the setListItem properties. 1. The statement object key equals value is equivalent to the function call setItem with object key and value. 2. If at time t the expression stack contains an empty element followed by the setitem function call, and the value stack contains value, key, and the Python reference IDX, and the object store is OS, and the element at index IDX of OS is the Python list elements, and the result of storing value at index key of elements is new elements, then at time t plus 1, we pop the empty element and the function call from the expression stack. The value stack will now contain none, and the object store is the result of storing Python list new elements at index IDX of OS.